Here to be a resource person, and also I don't think I'm qualified to make an assessment, although what I can say, the committee is handling the impeachment hearing very well, very disciplined, so it's maganda yung handling nila.
Ano yung mga hinihingi po ba mga sinabihan ng committee? Meron po ba sila mga additional na hinihingi during the course of the meeting?
We already provided yung requested documents sila sa amin. We will be called again to testify on the issue of the threat by the Vice President to the First Family and to the former Speaker.
Ano pong pending documents?
Wala na, nabigay na namin sa kanila lahat sa question documents on the study ng samples dun sa confidential funds, and also the related documents on the investigation on the threat of Vice President Sara to President Bongbong Marcos, First Lady Lisa Marcos, and Speaker Martin.
Receive po kanina, confidential funds ng OBP or Delta?
That's both sa OBP at sa SASAB.
Anong year yun?
Yun sa 125 yung next 11 days. Hindi ko po narinig. Because I think there's a great threat is part of the articles of impeachment. Kasama yata yun.
So, meron na po bang resolution din sa case na yun?
It's already been resolved at the level of the NBI. The case was filed already to the Department of Justice, and we're just waiting for the resolution.
So, sa April 2, Sir Babalik,
We will be coming back again, or because I think subpoena will be issued. And we're already been informed to come back for that reason, yung sa threat to the First Family. Okay?
thank you, Attorney. Thank you.
Okay.